become future stars. Chapter 16. No one is a loser. Rahul repeated his running shoes for the third time. All the month he had been talking about his FIRST 5K race and how he was going to come in FIRST in his age group. Several of his friends from school had come out to watch or run the race too. "Are you ready?" Sonu asked. "Yes, no problem." Rahul did a few warm-up stretches to cover up the fact that his hands were trembling. He had been trained for this race, but there were so many people who participating in the race and watching it. What if he didn't win in his age group? What if he tripped and fell? A whistle blew and the coach called everyone to the starting line. "I'll try to keep you in sight," Sonu said, "but you're much faster than I am." He leaned closer. "I'm kind of just hoping I can finish the race without having to stop." Word meaning: several, many times. Warm up: preparing for a physical competition by exercising. Stretches: straightening one's body or. Trembling: shaking a part of body. Tripped: caught foot on something and fell. Leaned: move into a sloping position. Rahul tapped Sonu on the back. "Don't go out too fast and you'll be FNA. It doesn't matter what place you finish in. The run is for a good cause." The school was raising money for a teacher who had lost his house in a hurricane. Sonu nodded. "Right. Let's do this for Mr. Goyal." Rahul took his spot on the starting line and noticed Mr. Goyal standing next to him. "Thanks for taking so many of your classmates to come out today, Rahul," Mr. Goyal said. "No matter what place you come in, you're a winner in my book." The starting buzzer sounded and Rahul took off thinking of Mr. Goyal's words. After the FIRST mile, Rahul glanced back and saw Rahul grabbing his side. He must have had a cramp. Mr. Goyal was still next to Rahul, matching his pace with each step. "Everyone is a winner, right?" Rahul asked Mr. Goyal between breaths. Mr. Goyal looked back at Rahul and a few other students lagging behind. "Every single one of you." Rahul nodded and ran back to Sonu and the other. "Arms up over your heads and take a long sigh," Rahul said. His friends did as Harish instructed. "Good. Now swing your arms again and focus on your breathing." Harish continued to coach his friends until he saw the finish line. "There's the end. Come on, guys. Let's finish this together." Word meaning: hurricane, a storm. Buzzer, an electrical device that makes noise used for signaling. Cramp, muscular pain caused by strain. Pace, speed in walking, running or moving. Lagging, failing to keep pace. Coach, to give special classes in sports to improve one's skills. They crossed the finish line as a group and found Mr. Goyal waiting for them. "Why did you come back for us, Rahul?" Rahul said, still out of breath. "You could have won." "No one is a loser," Rahul said, smiling at Mr. Goyal. Everyone clapped loudly to see their spirit of game. Like, share, and subscribe.